Hey, this is Eddie Swank back with part 3 Project O's Cutlass. I'll give you an update on what I've been doing past month or so. Been working my ass off on this thing. Been doing a little body work to it here and there. Basically been working on all these parts, cleaning them up, painting them. Just been filling in like some little dings and stuff like that here and there. Actually got a pretty straight body on it. Anyway, show you what I've been doing here. Got the rear clip installed. Got one of the exhaust pipes cleaned up, painted, back on. Takes a while when you're doing this shit by yourself, man. Oh yeah, and I want to show you what my brother did here. My brother and my buddy that drives a tow truck broke my damn taillight. That's about the 5th set of taillights I've had so far. As you can see, I've been doing a lot of body work here on this side, getting her pretty straight. Body line straight, doors straight. There's the other exhaust pipe. It's getting ready to get installed shortly. If you remember in my last video, part 2, I showed you the parts, what they looked like when I took them out of the car. Here's what they look like now. Trailing arms, air shocks, springs. I think I'm going to repaint them trailing arms though. Too much black. Gas tank, I was going to put a fuel cell in the trunk, but I got more important things I need right now, so that's going to have to wait. So I'm going to reinstall a gas tank after I clean it up and paint it. You can see where I shot a little paint on it. See what it's going to look like. It's going to be like a flat aluminum. Bumper. We'll clean it up and polish it. It'll do for now. I got a buddy of mine, actually my brother-in-law lives down Florida that does chroming. I'm going to send it to him and have him re-chrome it and the front bumper. Probably the original valve covers. I'm going to send him a whole box of shit. Over here's the rear end I've been cleaning on. Can't do much else to the car until I get this cleaned up and painted and installed. Then everything ought to start going along pretty quick. But this thing right here has been a bitch. Got a lower shock mount broke off. Can't buy them new, so I'm going to have to snatch one off another car, I guess. Been to every auto parts store in this town, can't find one. That's stupid or what? That's basically it. That's an update on it for right now. Getting ready to install this exhaust pipe, get this rear end cleaned up. Get it back in there. Go from there. See you part 4.